Hello everyone, this is Sagnika Adak and I'm here to share my opinions on the system of medical entrance examination, which is basically NEET. Let's start with why NEET was implemented. So earlier, the system of medical entrance exam was somewhat like every college would have their own entrance examination for selecting students. Each college would set up papers at a difficulty level that matches the standards of that particular college. This somehow turned really messy, unorganized, and there was a great scope of cheating. The government found it hard to handle it all together. Hence, NEET was implemented to centralize and standardize the examination process. This definitely killed the scope of cheating and also organized the entire process. But, in my opinion, it also made it harder for the students. If you do not manage to crack NEET in one attempt, you'll have to wait an entire year to get another chance. Pure 365 days. Or another option you have is somehow get into some private medical college and throw out tons of money, which is not something many of us could or would prefer. Our potential is being tested through one examination and judged by multiple colleges. What if we screw up our attempt because of any unpredictable reason, like panic and nervousness in the last minute, or just traffic, which led to you reaching late to the center? Having multiple examinations would give you multiple chances to get into the medical stream. बिकॉज कोई ना कोई कॉलेज तो तुम्हारा मेरिट नोटिस कर ही लेगा ना, कोई ना कोई कॉलेज तुम्हें डॉक्टर बनाने लायक समझेगा. एंड ये बात तभी समझ में आएगा जब दैट कॉलेज टेस्ट यू उनके खुद के लेवल पर. तो उस तरह से यू विल गेट एडमिशन इन अ कॉलेज जहाँ पे रहने की तुम्हारी काबिलियत हो. You fail in one examination, that wouldn't mean you'll have to wait another 365 days to get another chance at any medical college. You can just work really hard, prepare better, and crack the entrance examination of another college. This way, the people who are really dedicated and eager for medical would not get disheartened or lose hope after just failing one exam. It would prevent many people from thinking they're a failure. And also, I know this is a very sensitive topic, but this feeling of failure, isn't this what leads to most suicides that take place? So in one way, wouldn't having multiple college examinations help reduce the suicide rates in some way? Any way at all? Okay. Now coming to the policy. How about we go back to the pre-NEET era, but this time with a centralized syllabus. पहले हर एक कॉलेज के एग्ज़ाम के लिए अलग अलग सिलेबस होते थे. तो बेसिकली हर कॉलेज का एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए यू हैव टू स्टडी अ डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ स्टफ. बट दिस टाइम syllabus will be the same, but papers will be different based on difficulty level or number of questions or style of questions, etc. I'm also suggesting the digitization of NEET examination to make the bureaucracy easier and more efficient. Also to make the process a whole lot faster. This following policy is not a strict set of rules and regulations. It's more like ideas which can be extrapolated and turned into real policies. So I'd just say take the following suggestions with a grain of salt, and that's all for now. Thank you all for listening, and yeah, that's all. Take care. Bye.